Get the shot.
Get the shot.
Are you tired of shaky and unprofessional handheld video and carrying those heavy, bulky, and expensive tripods, weighted gimbals, and gyro stabilizers? Well, now there's the Virtual Monopod Camera Stabilization System. With this amazing and affordable 2.5-ounce camera stabilizer, you can get steady and professional handheld video shots without all the hassles you get from using that other equipment. And there's more good news. The Virtual Monopod, with its universal hand loop module, works with all cameras and optical devices, including DSLRs, camcorders, iPhones, GoPros, binoculars, rifles, and much, much more. Using the geometric stability of a triangle, the Virtual Monopod completely eliminates movement in the vertical axis. It creates smooth, steady, and professional-looking handheld shots. That's just what you need, right? But wait, there's more. The amazing Virtual Monopod converts into a shock-absorbing belt that dampens camera movement. You'll feel a smooth, floating action, producing amazing professional shots. Can you improve on this perfection? You bet you can. With the optional screw module, you can upgrade the universal hand loop and make a direct mechanical connection to all your devices that are equipped with a tripod mounting socket. Impress your friends, clients, and colleagues. Use the Virtual Monopod to create cinematic quality handheld video shots. Be a smarty, save money, get rid of the hassles, lighten your load, keep a Virtual Monopod in all of your camera bags, and get the shot.